Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to view and clear site storage data on your Google Chrome in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to view and clear site storage data on your Chrome in your Android browser, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser. In top right side corner you will find three dot. Tap on that, then tap on settings. Scroll down. Here you will find site settings. Tap on this. Again you have to scroll down. In last you will find data stored. Here you will find all your site stored data. In bottom you will find delete all. You can just tapping this delete all. You can delete all your site stored data, or if you want to delete by custom, just select any site, then tap on delete and reset permission, then tap on delete. Like this you can delete one by one. That's it guys. So in this way you can view and clear site storage data on your Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.